friends, and welcome back to CrystalCooks. This week, I felt the first cold breeze of fall and knew that it was time for some cozy comfort food. Today, we're making chicken tortilla soup. My favorite version comes from Miss Molly Makes and her cookbook, First Things First. I'll link her website below so you can check it out. Let's gather our ingredients. Tortilla strips. You can buy them ready-made or cut a few tortillas into strips and fry them yourself. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 diced onion, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 4 to 5 teaspoons of Mexican or fajita seasoning, or you can make Miss Molly's blend, 2 to 3 teaspoons of chicken stock powder, 1 liter of water, 28 ounces of canned diced tomatoes, 2 chicken breasts, 14 ounces of canned black beans, drained, and your favorite toppings like avocado, sour cream, cheese, green onion, or cilantro. Now to make the soup. I thought it would be nice to share this soup and then have more for leftovers, so I doubled the recipe. We're going to heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Then add the diced onion and sauté until translucent. Stir in the garlic and cook until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Add the seasoning blend, stock powder, and a little extra salt and pepper if you'd like. Stir for another 30 seconds to wake up the spices. Next, pour in the tomatoes and water and bring everything to a boil. While your mixture is coming to a boil, trim the chicken of any excess fat and bones. Reduce to a simmer and add the chicken breasts and black beans, and poach the chicken until cooked through, about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the chicken is ready, take it out, shred it with 2 forks, and return it to the pot. Let the soup simmer uncovered for another 30 to 35 minutes. This deepens the flavor and infuses the chicken with all of those warm spices. If you find that your soup is too thin, crush up some tortilla strips and stir it in to thicken it for about another 3 to 5 minutes. Then spoon into bowls, add your favorite toppings, and enjoy. And here it is, a hearty, flavorful chicken tortilla soup that's perfect to get you into that autumn mood. Thanks for cooking with me today. I'll leave a link to Miss Molly Makes cookbook below. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite fall soup, and what would you like to see me cook next? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. See you next time.